Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about an eyeliner that I have been using and I'm a huge fan of. It's called Butter London. It's a liquid eyeliner. I recently tried this after my friend had purchased it at one of the beauty supply stores. I loved it because it lasted all night. We went out. I didn't have to reapply it once. It just stayed on, and I even was able to do a little bit of the winged eyeliner, which half the time I feel like I mess up and I have to repeat a wing or I have to fix it. And the wand on this just made it really easy to do, and I didn't really have to keep fixing it or touching it up. So I was really happy with that. With Glazen Lustrous Liner by Butter London, you can define and shine. It's a soft metallic long wear liquid liner that glides on with effortless precision. It's crafted with a liquid luster complex, and this weightless liner contains radiant sparkle to enhance eyes with a super fine shine. This definitely, I feel like I have big brown eyes, and I feel like this kind of just enhances them. I love having the look of black eyeliner. I feel like, or not really black, but just like a darker eyeliner. I feel like it just keeps your eyes looking awake, and it draws more attention to your face and your eyes and just really helps them sparkle. So I'm used to using black eyeliner only. So I was a little hesitant when I found out it wasn't exactly pure black. It's called Disco, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys the color. Just on the back says Shake Me Up, distributed by Butter London Incorporated, and it is made in Germany, and the distributor is in Seattle, Washington, and it's a 3.5 milliliter 0.11 ounce container. I think it's made of plastic. Just gonna shake it up and open it up and show you guys what it looks like. So okay, here we are. So you guys can see on the wand, hopefully, that this is very, very sleek looking. The wand is very sharp, which the edge of this I feel like really helps out with creating that winged eyeliner look. Really nice definition it'll give your eyes. I usually line the top and bottom of my eyes, and then I'll make a wing on the side. I don't always do the wing, it's just if I'd like to once in a while, or if I'm going out and I want, like, you know, an extra bold look or something, then I'll add the winged eyeliner. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on my skin so you guys can see what it looks like rather than just looking at the wand. It's kind of hard to see the color. Okay, I just drew a little eye on my hand because I just want to show you guys like the definition it'll give you. Oh, sorry, this isn't really a good drawing, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the color and how easy it is to use the wand. I literally did this in 2 seconds. So it's very interesting to me that it's not just a pure black. It's almost got like a brown and a gray and almost like a dark blue I kind of see also, but with black too, all mixed into one color. It's very interesting, and I think that it makes your eyes really stand out and sparkle more than, say, like just a regular black eyeliner or something like that. So if you guys could see, it's actually got some silver sparkles in there, which is great. And not only is this perfect for like a night out, but I feel like it's good just like to wear to work or something like that too. Like, unless you just really don't wear makeup to work like I do, so I think it's fine. I don't think it's too much, but especially at night if you like to go out and you have a winged eyeliner with some of the sparkles, it's really pretty and it really stands out, and I love that it stays on. I don't think it's 100% waterproof, but it will not smudge and it'll stay on. You just remove it at the end of the day with some eye makeup remover, and it'll come right off like really easily. I'm just so impressed with the color and the product. I think it's dry now. I literally just did this, so yeah, I just rubbed it. I'm like rubbing it with my hand, literally not transferring at all. Sorry, sometimes it's hard to do this with one hand, but I want to show you guys. I'm like rubbing on this and it's not smudging one bit, and I rubbed pretty hard too, so just to show you guys it stays on. So for somebody that uses wet eyeliner and then sparkles over it, you don't have to do that. It's kind of like all in one because it's already mixed in, and it's so metallic and it's so pretty, and I receive so many compliments when I wear it because people are like, oh my god, like your eyes look so sparkly and pretty. What are you wearing? What what makeup is that? And I tell them, like, it's Butter London, Glazen Lustrous Liner, and Disco. And they have other amazing colors as well. Just another suggestion, I think that this goes great with really any color eyeshadow, but I really like it with like a nude shimmery eyeshadows, like a shimmery light brown, a shimmery nude, even a shimmery like light pink or purple, but more neutral colors with a little shimmer in it go great with this. So I hope that you guys try out Butter London Glazen Lustrous Liquid Liner, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching the video, guys.